everyone, welcome back to LoveLea Does Things. Today I will be showing you how to do the fill command. So what it does is exactly what it sounds like. It fills any area you want. It can do walls, it can do like floors. Like right here I have this hole in the ground. There is a limit to how much you can fill, which it's roughly about 32,768 blocks. I know that's a very technical number. But yeah. And so it can fill, like I said, this hole in the ground I have right here, and you can do it from like right here to over here, and so that it would fill just that line, or you can do from right here to over here, and it will fill in the whole area. So that's what I'm going to do. So we have to grab the coordinates, so let me write them down. It's easy to write the coordinates down from the position you are right now. And so I'm at 102, 62, and negative 66. So then you would write those coordinates down. And then you would go over here, and you don't need to write the coordinates down for that area because it will tell you. And so what you'll want to type in is /fill. Then you'll type in your coordinates. My area, it was 102, 62, and negative 66. And then it gives you coordinates right up there, which is 105, 62, negative 70. And we're just going to fill it with oak planks. You can fill it with whatever you want. Just make sure there's an underslash in the middle of the spaces. And there we go. See, it filled it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions or anything you would like me to go over in the comments below. And yeah. Always remember, love others as yourself and stay lovely.